So in the PBT Institute, I work with the betrayed and I also work with some betrayers. And so I have a really good perspective on both. And with a few of my coaching sessions yesterday, it kept coming up, maybe I could have done something differently, or why did they do this to me? And, and then what happens is we feel we're less than, we're not enough, we're not this, we're not that, and we take it so personally. But I also have the benefit of speaking with so many of the betrayers, and they confirm it every single time. It really has nothing to do with the person they betrayed. This is their lack, their scarcity, their unhealed trauma, their anything, their everything. It's all their decision. Keep in mind, this was a deliberate and intentional choice. But when we look at it and we take it so personally, that's what keeps us stuck. And there's something, it's interesting because if someone were to choose, let's say, alcohol or drugs or something, of course that has such a deep impact. But when it's betrayal, they're choosing another. And that's when we compare. And I want you to know, in going through my own betrayal, helping countless others heal from theirs and working with the betrayers too, I can tell you, even though it happened to you, it's not about you. Use the energy you have, use the strength you have, harness it back to heal, because spending your time, your effort, your energy on why did they do that? Why, all the things about them is taking away from you, and you need your energy to heal. So again, even though it happened to you, it's not about you. I'm not saying don't take a look at, how you were showing up. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm not suggesting for 1 minute that it's your fault. I hope that helps. Follow for more.